Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 16 Pro and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the video mode, so let's switch to the capture one. Let's tap on it, and this is a standard camera, and right now in this panel with the options we have to find this option, so this kind of clock or timer icon. Let's simply tap on it, and as you can see in this device we've got 4 different options to choose from, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option. As you can see, the icon will change slightly, so it will be highlighted and you will be able to see which timer you've got set. So right now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, perfect. Of course we can always turn it off. Just tap on this timer icon again and tap on this icon without any kind of number. So right now the timer is off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.